Canadian Citizenship Test 2024 Question and Answer. Question: in what year did Canada become a country? A. 1867, B. 1687, C. 1786, D. 1678. The answer is A. 1867. Question: what is the name of the royal anthem of Canada? A. Great Canada, B. Canada, C. God Save the Queen or King, D. O Canada. The answer is C. God Save the Queen or King. Question: what is the head of the city called? A. Mayor, B. Councillor, C. Alderman, D. Premier. The answer is A. Mayor. Question: which region covers more than one-third of Canada? A. Northern Territories, B. South Region, C. North Region, D. Southern Territories. The answer is A. Northern Territories. Question: who appoints the judges of the Supreme Court of Canada? A. The Governor General, B. The Prime Minister, C. Other judges, D. The people. The answer is A. The Governor General. Question: when is Remembrance Day celebrated? A. July 1st, B. October 6th, C. November 11th, D. November 20th. The answer is C. November 11th. Question: when did the British North America Act come into effect? A. 1867, B. 1881, C. 1901, D. 1876. The answer is A. 1867. Question: what is the highest honor available to Canadians? A. The Queen's Medal, B. Elizabeth Cross, C. Victoria Medal, D. Victoria Cross. The answer is D. Victoria Cross. Question: which province is Canada's main producer of pulp and paper? A. Quebec, B. British Columbia, C. Saskatchewan, D. Ontario. The answer is A. Quebec. Question: what are the parties that are not in power called? A. Tea parties, B. Opposition parties, C. Rival parties, D. Opponent parties. The answer is B. Opposition parties. Question: what is a polling station? A. place where you vote, B. campaign offices for candidates, C. place where the number of vote is counted, D. member of parliament's constituency. The answer is A. Place where you vote. Question. What is a major river in Quebec? A. Hudson Bay, B. Niagara, C. Fraser River, D. St. Lawrence River. The answer is D. St. Lawrence River. Question. Who can ask you about whom you voted for? A. No one, B. Any other Canadians, C. Your local MP, D. The Prime Minister. The answer is A. No one. Question. What level of government passes by laws? A. Provincial, B. Municipal or local government, C. Federal, D. Senators. The answer is B. Municipal or local government. Question. What is Canada's system of government called? A. Dictatorship, B. Parliamentary government, C. Military rule, D. Communism. The answer is B. Parliamentary government. Question. What are the colors present in the Canadian flag? A. Blue and white, B. Red and white, C. Green and white, D. Red and blue. The answer is B. Red and white. Question. If the government loses a confidence vote in assembly, they A. Call for by-elections, B. Can continue, C. Do nothing, D. Must resign. The answer is D. Must resign. Question. Who can enter and leave the country freely without time constraints? A. Canadian citizen and landed immigrants, B. Commonwealth citizens, C. Canadian citizens, D. British citizens. The answer is C. Canadian citizens. Question. Who chose Ottawa as the capital of Canada? A. Queen Elizabeth I, B. Queen Elizabeth II, C. Queen Victoria, D. Queen Anne. The answer is C. Queen Victoria. Question. When was the current flag of Canada raised for the first time? A. 1921, B. 1965, C. 1949, D. 1892. The answer is B. 1965. Question. Where is Canada located? A. Central America, B. Europe, C. North America, D. South America. The answer is C. North America. Question. When is Canada Day? A. November 5th every year, B. July 1st every year, C. June 30th every year, D. July 31st every year. The answer is B. July 1st every year. Question. Where do more than half of the people in Canada live? A. Coastal Pacific. B. Atlantic Canada. C. Prairies. D. Central Canada. The answer is D. Central Canada. Question. How are members of parliament chosen? A. Elected by senators. B. Elected by the Prime Minister. C. Chosen by the King. D. Elected by Canadian citizen. The answer is D. Elected by Canadian citizen. Question. Which region is known as the industrial and manufacturing heartland of Canada? A. Atlantic provinces. B. Prairie provinces. C. Central Canada. D. West Coast. The answer is C. Central Canada. Question. What are the provinces of Central Canada? A. Ontario and Quebec. B. Ontario and Alberta. C. Quebec and New Brunswick. D. Alberta and Saskatchewan. The answer is A. Ontario and Quebec. Question. Where do the majority Métis live in Canada? A. Central Canada. B. The North. C. Prairie provinces. D. The Maritimes. The answer is C. Prairie provinces. Question. What do the initial MP stand for in Canadian politics? A. Member of Parliament. B. Minister of Parliament. C. Member of the Patriots. D. Master of the Province. The answer is A. Member of Parliament. Question. Which was the last province to join Canada? A. Prince Edward Island. B. Manitoba. C. Newfoundland. D. Yukon. The answer is C. Newfoundland. Question. Which of the following is the oldest colony of the British Empire in Canada? A. Quebec. B. Ontario. C. Alberta. D. Newfoundland and Labrador. The answer is D. Newfoundland and Labrador. Question. Which province in Canada is the smallest in plan size? A. British Columbia. B. Prince Edward Island. C. Alberta. D. New Brunswick. The answer is B. Prince Edward Island. Question. Which of the following is a non-Canadian not allowed to do? A. Leave the country at will. B. Contact his or her MP. C. Take the Canada citizenship test. D. Vote in federal and provincial elections. The answer is D. Vote in federal and provincial elections. Question. 1/3 of all Canadians live in which province? A. Saskatchewan. B. Quebec, C. Alberta, D. Ontario. The answer is D. Ontario. Question. How is a cabinet minister chosen? A. By the Prime Minister, B. By the King, C. By the voters, D. By the senators. The answer is A. By the Prime Minister. Question. Who proclaimed the amended Constitution of Canada in 1982? A. The Senate, B. Queen Elizabeth II, C. The people of Canada, D. The Prime Minister. The answer is B. Queen Elizabeth II. Question. What is celebrated on the 26th of December? A. Remembrance Day, B. Victoria Day, C. Boxing Day, D. Canada Day. The answer is C. Boxing Day. Question. What is Canada's national winter sport? A. Lacrosse, B. Basketball, C. Hockey, D. Golf. The answer is C. Hockey. Question. Which province was the first to grant voting rights to women? A. Quebec, B. Ontario, C. Nova Scotia, D. Manitoba. The answer is D. Manitoba. Question. What is the Great Charter of Freedom also known as? A. Habeas corpus, B. Dominion of Canada, C. Canadian Constitution, D. Magna Carta. The answer is D. Magna Carta.